Hi, so what I want to do in this video is I just want to show kind of the new LEDs that or what I've put together with the new LEDs for the infrared LED tracking system so far. So what I've got here is I've got 4 strings of 13 infrared LEDs each. And they're all wired together in parallel. And each of the voltage drop across each of these LEDs is supposed to be 1.2 volts. So 1.2 times 13 LEDs gives me a voltage difference of about 15.6 volts. So I'm applying 15.6 volts across each of these 4 strands of LEDs. And for all of these LEDs, I am also measuring the current through them. So the current through all of those LEDs, so this is 52 LEDs in all, is 72 milliamps. Let me see if I can focus that a little bit better. There we go. So 72 milliamps is flowing through 4 strings of 13 LEDs. And what I want to do is just demonstrate the distance of sensitivity I can get with a standard Wiimote. So I'm holding a Wiimote here, and I've got this Wiimote connected to my computer. So I'm going to step back across the lab, and as you can see, my computer is giving me the infrared output from the Wiimote that I'm holding. So if I step back, I'm probably about 5 meters away from the LEDs. I'm about halfway across the lab right now, and the Wiimote can still see the LED. So hopefully you might not be able to see it on the computer screen, but right now I'm almost to the back of the lab, and I'm getting kind of intermittent coverage on the LEDs with 4 strings of LEDs. But this is kind of a significant improvement in the far field from the previous LEDs that we had tried. And also we are consuming much less power than the previous LEDs that we had tried. So even I get some good performance, or some performance I guess, if I step over the computer. So this is kind of the off-axis performance of those LEDs. It is a very faint signal, but the signal is still there. I'm probably about, I don't know, maybe 5 or 6, perhaps 6.5 meters away from the light source right now, and it still seems to be working. One problem I am having, which probably won't show up on this video, if I hold you're probably not going to be able to see it in this video. I am having a problem in the near field with these LEDs. So if you can see the computer now has the LED signal, and if I step closer, there, the signal just went away, if you can see that. And I am probably about maybe within 1 meter from the light source. So within 1 meter, or I guess the big problem with this setup is within 1 meter, if we are 1 meter away from either of the object trackers, we have to switch this to a near field system instead of a far field LED system. So anyway, thanks for watching. I guess this is a bit more of a status update, and let me see how much power we're consuming. So yeah, we're still, kind of right around, we're under 80 milliamp of current at 15.6 volts. So I'll maybe do a power calculation and see how much power we're consuming. But as you can see, it's really not that much power. It's very low power. These LEDs aren't getting hot. They're still like cool to the touch. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching.